Welcome to qnawire.
Here we have Q equal to M multiply C multiply Tf minus Tin divided by time required. This gives the constant power that can give desired heating. Here for the A we have Q equal to M into C into Tf minus Tin divided by time required. Here because this gives the constant power, this gives the constant power that can give desired heating. So thus plugging in value, thus plugging in values, we have Q equal to 250 kg multiply 4 kj divided by kg minus C multiply 65 C minus 25 C. Here by simplifying this we get the value 0.5556 kW, which is kilovolt, and this is the answer. Now for the next we have M into C into d capital T by dt, and integrated by this we get log q dt equal to M C T. Now by solving this, or we can write it as log q dt divided by MC. Now integration is done by the Simpson's rule, so we get the integrated value is integral value is equal to 40037 kj, and the integration is done by Simpson's rule. So for the next, here where delta t equal to 40037 divided by 250 divided by 4, so this will be equal to 40.037 C. Thus the temperature equal to thus temperature equal to 25 plus 40.037 equal to 65.037 C, and This is the answer of B. This is the answer. Now for the next, we have 20 kW per minute equal to 0.333 kW per second. Now we have dq by dt equal to 0.333 when qt equal to 4, when qt equal to 4. So thus after 10 minutes, after 10 minutes we get q equal to 100 plus 0.333 t, and we have delta t equal to log q dt divided by mc. Now for explosion to occur t equal to 75 C, and we are already at t equal to 65.037 C. Thus delta T equal to 9.963 Celsius. Also M into C equal to, also here we have T equal to 75 C, and already have T equal to 65.037 C, and thus at delta T, the T equal to 9.963 C. Here also we have M into C equal to 4 into 250 equal to 1000. Thus we have now log 0 to t 100 plus 0.333 t equal to 9.963 x. Let's multiply by 1000 equal to 9963. Here now we have then 100 t plus 0.0 0.333 divided by 2 t square equal to 9963. Solving this, we get t equal to 87.02 second, which will be equal to 1.45 minute. Here this is. Now thus after 10 minutes that lapsed, after 10 minutes that elapsed, thus time equal to 11.45 minute. Answer. This is the answer.